Effective home remedies for an enlarged prostate. In the last video, we discussed the causes and symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Now, it's time to talk about the home remedies to treat an enlarged prostate or BPH. Did you know that the cure to your benign prostate, hyperplasia or an enlarged prostate was in your house all alone? Yes, we neither. Just as our ears and nose can get bigger, so can the male prostate. In fact, enlarged prostate or benign prostate hyperplasia is very common. Medical health professionals consider it to be an inevitable consequence of aging with male hormones. However, just because it is inevitable doesn't mean that it isn't unfortunate. An enlarged prostate can be frustrating to deal with as it comes with uncomfortable symptoms, most commonly sexual difficulties and urinary problems. An enlarged prostate can cause problems like the need to urinate frequently, difficulty in voiding, urinary leakage, and various urinary tract infections. Overall, even though an enlarged prostate isn't a serious life threat, it can still negatively affect the quality of your life. In today's video, we have discussed the possible home remedies that may be effective to treat an enlarged prostate. Continue watching. An overview. Before we get into the home remedies to treat an enlarged prostate, let's consider an overview. The prostate is a walnut-shaped gland that surrounds the urethra, or the tube through which urine and semen pass and flow through. The prostate is a vital part of the male reproductive system. One of its many functions is to add fluid to semen. Besides, it also adds muscle power to ejaculation, making climaxing during sexual intercourse possible. The prostate gland usually starts out small and goes through two phases of growth. It doubles in size during the adolescent years and then continues to grow again after the age of 25 and may continue throughout the rest of a man's life. An excessively enlarged prostate results in a phenomenon known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, commonly known as BPH. Eventually, an enlarged prostate can clamp down on the urethra and affect urine flow. BPH symptoms affect up to more than 50% of men between the ages of 51 and 60 and up to 90% of men over the age of 70. However, some men may also feel the symptoms of an enlarged prostate around their mid-40s. Prostate enlargement is an inevitable part of aging, so there's nothing you can do to stop this natural process. But there are certain things you can try to prevent it from becoming troublesome. Natural remedies for an enlarged prostate. Number 1. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a herbal remedy that is produced from a fruit of a certain type of palm tree. Saw palmetto has been used for centuries as an alternative to medications and hormone blockers in the treatment of benign prostatic hyperplasia or an enlarged prostate. According to the National Institute of Health, that is NIH, several types of small-scale studies have suggested that saw palmetto might be effective for relieving BPH symptoms. This is most likely because it inhibits the production of dihydrotestosterone, that is DHT, and is useful in reducing the size of the inner lining of the prostate. Besides, saw palmetto is absolutely safe to use. Number 2. Beta-sitosterol. Beta-sitosterol is a herbal medication which is a mixture taken from various plants that contain cholesterol-like substances called sitosterols or phytosterols. They are basically plant-based fats. Several researchers have found out that beta-sitosterol can relieve most urinary symptoms of BPH as well as the strength of urine flow. Some researchers have also suggested that it's these fatty substances like beta-sitosterol, which is also found in saw palmetto, that is actually contributing to relieving the symptoms of BPH. Number 3. Pygeum or African plum extract. Pygeum is extracted from the bark of an African plum tree. Pygeum has been around for centuries and initially it was used in traditional medicine to treat urinary tract problems, including enlarged prostate symptoms. According to reports published by the Canadian Journal of Urology, several small-scale researchers have suggested that the Pygeum supplement can help with bladder emptying and urine flow. However, Pygeum can cause minor side effects like headaches. Number 4. Seniltin. People have been using herbal supplements like seniltin and ryegrass pollen to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia symptoms. Sunilton can relieve most symptoms of BPH including nocturia, bladder leakage, urinary tract infections, frequent urinations, etc. Under the brand name of Sunilton, ryegrass pollen extracts are incorporated in the formula of several registered pharmaceutical supplements that target relieving annoying BPH symptoms. Number 5. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is known to contain similar anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants such as pygeum and saw palmetto. Stinging nettle root is widely used in Europe to treat symptoms of BPH and an enlarged prostate. In some cases, stinging nettle or nettle root is often combined with other BPH treatments like pygeum or saw palmetto for the best results. However, minor side effects like headaches and skin rashes may occur. Number 6. Lycopene. Lycopene is a naturally occurring pigment found in many fruits and vegetables. Lycopene may help in slowing down the progression of BPH. While tomatoes contain the richest source of lycopene, other fruits and vegetables are also credible. Usually, the deeper the red or pink pigment of a fruit or vegetable is, the higher the lycopene content. Some credible sources of lycopene include papaya, pink grapefruit, watermelon, guava, carrots, red bell peppers, apricots, and red cabbage. Number 7. Zinc supplements. Last but not the least, we have zinc supplements. Chronic zinc deficiencies have been linked to the increased likelihood of developing BPH or an enlarged prostate. Increasing the dietary sources of zinc in one's diet or taking zinc supplements may help in reducing some of the BPH symptoms. Zinc is rich in poultry foods, seafood, various types of seeds and nuts like pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds, etc. If you have been recently diagnosed with an enlarged prostate, there is no need to worry. Just stay consistent with these home remedies and go for regular checkups at the doctor, and you will be good to go. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.